everyone. It's Sunday afternoon and I thought I'd get an early jump start on the overview for this week, week 8. It's going to be very busy from here on out. It's downhill speed racer. We really only have 2 weeks left and then that's the finals week. And I know you're going to be busy wrapping things up with your final presentation. If you printed out the syllabus, you'll find that there is a little bit of an adjustment from what you may have seen. I'm actually adding presentation skills software to week 8. I think it's going to be important for you and your students to know about some of the tools that are out there, free tools in fact. You can use the presentation software for any type of lecture or maybe some just-in-time resources and reminders, and you can also have your students do projects with some of the software. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to give you a short overview. Do you remember in week 2 when we had some examples of emerging technologies? Well, some of those you could classify as presentation software. For example, Movenote is a very quick 30-second lecture presentation tool. 30 seconds is the free version. You could actually pay for a little bit more, but these are the types of presentation software that you can embed, and here's some examples. For common writing errors, Introduction to a Learning module, you could put some very quick little overview and outcomes using this kind of presentation software. So those I would consider maybe the just-in-time embedded resources, but there's other presentation software like Movenote. This is a great little tool that you can use, and you can narrate as you're going through a PowerPoint, or in this case I'm going through the Online Education Initiative rubric. I use this in my class when I want students to actually go through each of the rubric items for their final project. So these are some tools that you can use. There's also a very popular one that I have started using called SlideShare. And if you are involved with LinkedIn, it's the same account. You can access SlideShare from your LinkedIn account. Anyway, I have given you some links and ideas that you can get started with and explore. So take your time, find one that's going to work for you, and keep in mind that this particular free presentation software can also be used by your students. It makes learning exciting and engages the students when not only are they learning a little bit about technology tools, but they're also able to gather their information and present in the class and share. All right, thanks. We'll talk more about some of these tools on Tuesday. See you all online.